The Midea 50 Pint Dehumidifier is designed to cover large areas up to 4,500 square feet, making it ideal for basements and spacious rooms. Equipped with smart control technology, this dehumidifier allows you to manage humidity levels remotely using the MSmartHome app on your smartphone. Its ultra-quiet operation, quieter than a typical home refrigerator, ensures that it does not disrupt your daily activities or sleep. The built-in pump and flexible drainage options mean you never have to worry about manually emptying the water bucket. With a sleek design and four-wheel portability, this unit can easily be moved from room to suit your needs. The Midea dehumidifier is user-friendly, featuring a digital control panel and handles, making it simple to operate for anyone.